Hello my friends, today I will explain to you a strategy based on candle patterns without using highly successful strategic indicators. With this strategy, you will achieve excellent profits. Believe me, if you understand this strategy and apply it correctly, you will enter very successful deals that will make up for your loss and make money. Follow the explanation to the end and subscribe to the channel. Let's start. The strategy is simple, successful, and very effective. First, choose the pair that you will trade on. As shown, we are in an uptrend characterized by higher highs and higher lows, reflecting strong buying pressure. The strategy is simply to wait for a reversal candlestick pattern followed by an engulfing candlestick pattern that engulfs the previous one. When this happens, I will enter a 2-minute trade. Okay, I need some of your focus, my friend. I'll explain the example again. As you can see, my friend, the general trend of the market is upward, and that's where the buying power began. In these cases, the price attempts a correction, and reversal candles will appear. After the corrective candle, I will enter a deal with the market trend, from 2 to 3 minutes. Here, a corrective candle appeared, followed by an engulfing candle. After the engulfing candle ends, you will enter a trade for 2 to 3 minutes. A reversal candle appeared here, followed by an engulfing candle, so I will enter a 2-minute trade. Notice, however, that if I had entered a 3-minute trade, it would have resulted in a loss. The question here is, how do I determine whether to set the trade duration for 2 or 3 minutes? The answer is to review the market over the last hour and observe the areas where the strategy conditions were applied. I check whether the 2-minute or 3-minute duration was more successful and then apply that to my trades. This is the strategy in its simplest form. It relies on precise observation and choosing the right timing. Always remember that sticking to risk management is the secret to long-term success, so make sure to try it on your demo account first. If you found this explanation helpful, don't forget to support us and share your results in the comments. Trade smart, and good luck to everyone with your trades. I'll see you in the next video.